Babe, good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Oh, good. What was the meaning of this? What is this blood doing here?
Lord? Babe, Lord? What's going on? Are you okay? I'm not sure. Are you fine? What's happening? What happened?
I asked you a question first. I asked you a question. What is this blood stain doing on my floor?
I don't understand. I'm actually worried about you. Are you sure you're fine? Are you sure you're okay?
But the last time we spoke on the phone, you were here.
Oh yeah. Ouch, that's true, babe. My tummy hurts. It's my menstruation. I was here. Then I noticed that my menstruation started and the pain so much. I had to go out there to get pad. I didn't know I messed this place up. I need to come clean.
You finished ovulating 4 days ago.
Yeah.
So how come you're seeing your period so soon?
I don't even know. Even me, I'm confused. How can I be seeing my period twice in one cycle? It's very strange, yo. Very strange. I have to go and see my doctor. I need to go and see my doctor. But first of all, no, I need to clean this mess. This is really messy. Once I clean it up, I'll be going. Ouch, it's so painful.
That reminds me, who left the noodles over there? Who left it? I know you don't like noodles. So what is going on?
I just started.
It's me, sir. I left the noodles to paddle. My menstrual just started.
Are you still around?
Yes. I'm done taking my bath to leave when I'm done eating. I guess she's your fiancée you told me about.
Yes.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Congratulations on your coming wedding. He told me about it last night.
Thank you.
Are you both just meeting?
I'm not okay.
We're just meeting, sir. I've been in my room for quite some time talking to my parents.
Okay.
Yes, we just met for the first time.
My love, she's the stranded copper I told you about.
Welcome.
Yes. This is the love of my life.
Yes, sure.
Babe, are you okay? Are you sure you're fine?
Are you okay?
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I just need to see the doctor. So
Let me drive.
No. Ow! Let me just come in.
Are you sure you're fine? Can you handle this? Let me drive you to the hospital. Baby.
Sir.
Please call me if there is need, okay?
She will call you. Very okay. And about the blood stain. It wasn't her. It was me. My menstruation just started.
All right. Clean this.
Akwachano makatiero kukaki ijuwa mo okamuna ijuwa sije muni juwa sije ewumochi.
Jump up, open that gate. Open the gate, open the gate.
If you start that car, you're dead.
Please, I'm sorry. Please don't kill me, please.
I shouldn't kill you. But you killed me and made my parents childless. You killed me and buried me in the forest, pretending to be a pregnant woman to go scot-free from the police.
I'm so sorry.
Had you been wiser, Maureen, you would have called your man after getting a call from the compound fool you told to spy on your man.
So foolish of me. I'm sorry.
You will get down from this car, go to your man, and break up with him. I don't care whatever excuse you give him. Just break up with him and call the wedding off.
Please, Deborah, please. Don't do this to me, please.
After breaking up with him, if I see your face in this compound, or anywhere near him again, I will kill you and everything that concerns you. Slowly.
Deborah, please. Please, I beg you, don't do this to me.
Michael is a good man. He was the kind of man I wanted when I was alive. But a wicked soul like you ruined it for me. I cannot change what has happened. But to let you know, I have found another in Michael. Oh. And I must have him. Now go and break up with him. I do not want to repeat myself, Maureen.
Please, don't do this. Please, I beg you.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, go!
But all the girls, they open now. I don't understand. You know what? Come on, again. I just said, my coach, the answer. Maybe to say, I look at, I cannot see anything for you. Wait till the answer comes. You cannot say this down. Which come all of this one now? Upon all the whole struggle I go struggle today, do what I do. This woman call here, come keep me. Football, could you idiot? It is easy to open this gate. You just do me, they do me. Now me they do. Take a look at that. Football, could you pass it? You wouldn't like it there. Idiot. If you open this gate, just once. If the day make you open this gate, if you open that once, you go shrink. There's so much. Sit. If I tell you what I begin pregnant girls, why don't they pregnant? Because they don't come out all of them, they come out. One for them be like you. Idiot. They make me the door, they will get there, somebody shit. Over all the dig, white drink, very. My friend, what is your problem? Yeah? Don't get me angry. I paid you in full, so deliver. What's your problem now? Listen, if I get to that estate, you will regret knowing me. That sand is low quality. I cannot work with that sand. Huh? Get me a sharp sand now. What's your problem? Okay, stop joking with my career. If I come to that estate, I swear I will disfigure your face. You want to have problems with me? Stop that nonsense and deliver. I hate excuses. Baby. Okay, are you okay? Why are you crying? What is it?
I'm sorry.
My love, talk to me. Why are you crying?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Sorry about what? Talk to me. What is it?
I cannot marry you again. I can't marry you. Please, I'm calling off the wedding. I can marry you again.
Excuse me. Joke of the year. I know you were in Nollywood before joining the banking sector. But this joke is expensive. Is this a prank or what?
Stop it. I'm not joking, I'm serious. Listen, I can marry you. Please take your ring. Take your ring.
Listen. The designer making your wedding gown just called, okay? She said your wedding gown is ready. And I told her we are coming this evening to test it. What are you saying?
No, I'm not going with you. Please, just tell her that there will be no wedding. She can sell the gown or you can get somebody else to accept your wedding ring.
Listen, my love, you can't do this to me, okay? Even if you haven't told me, we can sort it over. We can sort this out. Go. You can't just change your mind all of a sudden. Baby, we've gone too far now. You can't just call off our wedding. Baby.
Is she okay, sir?
much you try, you will never know peace. You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace. No. You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace. Taking life out of me, cutting shots, my future, crushing my destiny.
Calm down. You don't have to go. Calm down.
Giving me teary eyes, causing my parents pains, shutting up their means of joy, thinking it would favor you. No, that's a lie. You will never know peace. You can never know peace. No peace for the wicked. You will never know peace. Oh.
This one way, Madam Mother just they cry, they rush out. You full of like person way nearly one sheet for a cloth. What happened? Or somebody they don't drop bomb. Okay, they talk to you, okay? Okay, talk to me. Then I mean, I tell you, talk to me, okay? Yeah. What did I have to tell me now? Hey, go. What is confident people? What do you mean? Hey, who never the house? Osama bin Laden. When I there, Boko Haram. When I there? Nobody there. What? That's what they do. Idiot. What do you mean?
Taking life out of me, cutting shots, my future, crushing my destiny, giving me teary eyes, causing my parents pains, shutting up their means of joy, thinking it would ever.
Touch that door, else I'll roast your life.
You didn't kill me. God forbid. In fact, I don't get stroke. I don't get stroke. You don't enter my hand here. Welcome, buddy.
Come on, open the gate for me. I want to go outside and buy something.
Yes, ma. But if I just disappear, come out as go. Sorry, forgive my useless mouth. Goes before I keep the I don't think it goes like a human. Sorry. My village people must have contributed pennies to raise the spirit of my grandmother that be having me to death the second time. The second time they rape that time when he died, she died like the rape she died. They go spirit, go see rape again. Yeah. Oh. Now true. I don't lose my spiritual gentleman. Sorry, I can't fight. Now the son they relax so. In fact, now my village they did it. Baby, listen. What is the meaning of this? Stop. You're embarrassing us. We have invested 5 years in this relationship. It's 2 weeks to our wedding and you're saying it's over? How? Why? Did I cheat on you? Did I beat you? What have I done wrong?
Just go. It's over, please. Just go. I don't want to be in the relationship anymore. I don't want the marriage anymore.
Maybe you can't just wake up and say it's over. What happened? Okay, listen.
Nothing.
Let's go home.
I don't want to go to your house. Please, just go. Please, let me go. Please.
I'm begging you, stop. Okay? Relax, okay? Okay, let's go home and talk this over. Baby, listen, calm down. Let's go home and talk this over, okay? Please. Okay? Please. Please. We can talk things over, please. This is not necessary, I beg you. If it's a prank, stop it. Thank you.
No, that's a lie. You will never know peace. You can never know peace. No peace for the wicked. You will never know peace. Oh, you will never know peace. You will never know peace. You will never know peace. You will never know peace.
Yeah, well, hey, God, Jesus. Amado, go punish devil. God. Wait. So now ghost. I do semi-umuna meeting with so. I reject it in Jesus' name. Which can wanna be this one now? Yeah? In fact, if I enter that compound again, if I get it my 2 legs, my whole body, enter that compound again, make I bend like Kogi people's leg, all those Kogi people with their leg, make I bend like them. You can't know this. Which can wahala? Eh? Get who will bury finish. No, bury them now. Put them for that, cover them. What did they do me? What did they do? Wait. My dream.
finish myself. This one, no, I don't confirm, I don't be dream. What are you going to do me? I don't stop to the smoky bone now. I don't stop to see. I don't even collect my pension from cigarette smoking since it came a long time ago. What did they do me? What did I do? You should say I'm still alive. I'm in a madness. Oh my God. No.
Step. You're dead.
I beg you, don't kill me. Forgive me. Don't kill me, don't be my fault. Now, Maureen, this heat where they give me that, now Maureen is supposed to take him. Now he's supposed to carry him. Okay, fine. Just check him. As Nash go mess finish. Head go carry the knock. It good. You check him now.
Are you done vomiting your rubbish? You called her and told her that I was your August fiancé. So your head is as guilty as her bloody ass.
Please forgive me. You don't go up again. I swear, as I'm talking about, I
Get up!
According to my Abakaleke grandmother, 2 days after she started adult school in 19...
You don't know the kind of mess you're in. That's your mouth. Sure needs torture. And I will give you truckloads of them. Shut up! Now go back to the house. If I repeat myself, I will turn you into a pig.
Pig! Go for pig, I don't want to say anything. I don't want to be any animal.
Wait. If you dare tell your boss or anyone else that I'm dead, I will kill you and your family members.
If I try, kill me, give my spirit, Jaina.
If I get to the house before you, you're dead.
Taking life out of me, cutting shots my future, crushing my destiny, giving me teary eyes, causing my parents pains, shutting up their means of joy, thinking it would favor you. No, that's a lie. You will never know peace. You can never know peace. No peace for the wicked. You will never know peace. Oh, you will never know peace. You will never know peace. You will never know peace. You will never know peace.
What did I do? Don't be kill this girl. Come on, don't be kill you. Don't be kill you. Why I come follow the share? Why I follow the share the suffering? The body is supposed to suffer this thing. Now you go keep person. Now call her, but not say cocky. Yeah, at least if person come now, you ask person, ask a question, see, don't be tired, you kill her. Yeah? God. This bag. I leave this bag now. Hey, Chideke. Go to look and see. Which come all of it is. Can you hear me? God. Fine. I know say goose na goose. He didn't do anything. As I forget the bag and I cannot come here keep up. The spirit cannot come here go arrange and go. He just arrange for me. My spirit. Nothing with spirit no go do. Nothing with spirit he no go do. I don't know whether they don't jump Boko Haram. Because I don't say goose they Boko Haram too. Terrorists all these ungun men. I don't know whether they don't join, don't put that baby carry gun or bomb put for this bag. And they use the spirit, they follow them. Spirit, they follow them. They follow Boko Haram, baby, you don't go join the carry gun or bomb put here. This guy won't finish me. He won't finish me. So that they carry me go police, lock me. Maybe come kill me so I keep person. She don't get caught. No. Okay. Mama, look. Jesus. Mama, oh, she never jumped Boko Haram. She never jumped Boko Haram. Oh. She never joined them. She never joined a gunman Boko Haram. She could have Hey, Jineke. Hey.
Shots my future, crushing my destiny, giving me teary eyes, causing my parents pains, shutting up their means of joy, thinking it would favor you. No, that's a lie.
What I do now? God, what you got now? I don't think only communion now.
Why did you disobey me? Why did I get here before you?
But don't talk like that now. You know the man, you know be the same. You be ghost, you be spirit, I be human being. Your own now what? Vanish you, why? Come here. Now run now. You know this is run. And you give me a reason after that. I'm going to
Little of what awaits you. Don't let me shut your mouth. More to come. If you don't obey my now what will you think?
I'm going to come back and I say, hey! I don't know what to do. I don't know if now ghost prophetess. Now ghost when they do prophetess, they go.
Taking life out of me, cutting shots my future, crushing my destiny, giving me teary eyes, causing my parents pains, shutting up their means of joy, thinking it would favor you. No, that's a lie. You will never know peace. You can never know peace.
You don't know that good. The good bit for inside. And for my life, and for my family members, I don't fit tell them. I don't fit tell them. Say go stay there. If I tell them now, yeah. What did I do? Who they do me this for village? I don't commit anything though. Now yeah, they do my work. Or they carry you to come.
Taking life out of me, cutting shots my future, crushing my destiny, giving me teary eyes, causing my parents pains, shutting up their means of joy, thinking it would ever.
Why would Maureen serve me breakfast now that our wedding is around the corner? Why? What have I done to deserve this? I've printed and shared our wedding cards. I've paid for event hall. Why then will she say it's over now? What have I done?
What is wrong with her, sir?
I don't know. She wouldn't say.
It's so strange and unnerving. But sir, you have to calm down. This might be
A prank, right? I just hope it's a prank. It's a prank, so no cause for alarm.
Maybe. You have to calm down. You're a good man. I know she'll come around. I don't know why she'll choose to stress you in this manner. It's so unfair.
Maureen and I have invested a lot of emotions in this relationship. How could she come up with such nonsense by this time of the day? Our wedding is around the corner, and all of a sudden she's saying it's over. Prank or not, I'm not just...
Sir, you have to calm down. Your wedding will still hold. You're a good man and you deserve the best. And you will get the best.
I just hope so. Okay, where is the friend now? Where is the friend now? Oh, where is the friend now?
So, babe, what do you think about this suit? The color.
I don't like the color.
Really? Me too. What color do you think we should go for you, for the guys?
White.
White?
Anytime, any day. White.
Yeah, that would be nice. Like a little bit off-white, not like white. Yes. You know? Oh, what do you think?
We do the design.
Okay.
With white color.
Okay, that's fine. Then what about
this? This is beautiful.
This is nice. Can I get diamonds for my wedding?
Of course, anything for you.
Thank you. So I'm getting this one.
Sure.
Yeah, because this and this goes with this. Nice.
So this, I confirm.
Yes, but I'll just add a little bit of stones, you know, just to make it.
Enough of this.
So, tell me, are you excited?
I'm excited.
I love this. Come in.
Good day, ma.
Yeah, Jenny, what is it?
Mr. Frank is here with his proposal.
Oh, okay. Send him.
Okay.
Come in.
Good day, ma.
Good day, Mr. Frank. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. How's work?
Well, we can't complain. Yeah, okay. Mr. Frank, this is actually a nice proposal, but the bank is not interested in this kind of deal.
Why?
You had a hearing. I just said the bank is not interested in this kind of deal.
Ma, since my cousin Mr. Kevin Mba introduced me to you, we've been talking. I mean, we've been exchanging emails in which we discussed extensively about this deal. You asked me to prepare this proposal and bring it to you for ratification last week. So, what happened? I mean,
is it like you don't hear? Is that it? You don't listen. I said we are not interested in this deal. Can you please get up and get out of my office? Please leave. I said in my office. I'm out of here. Get out.
You will never know peace. You do not have a You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace.
I want to assure you all that the police has already launched a full-scale investigation into this matter. In no time, the case will be cracked by my men, and your daughter will happily be reunited with you again. If it was just the case of kidnapping, my men and I will swing into action to fish out those behind it. And most importantly, to bring her home healed and happy.
Thank you. Because that's what we need.
One more important thing, please. If by any chance you have contacts with the kidnappers, please inform us immediately. Same as having maybe other information that will lead us to getting the culprits. Please do not hesitate to let us know.
Inspector James, be sure of the entire community's cooperation. She is our daughter, and we will do everything possible to bring her home alive and unharmed.
Again, let me reassure you that the police are on top of this situation. Mr. Ibe.
Officer.
You said something about having a phone conversation with one of our friends who claimed she saw her this morning. Am I right?
Yes, Inspector, it's true. Her name is Gina. They've been close friends right from when they were in school till now that they are coppers, and they share the same lodge where they are serving now. They share the same coppers lodge.
Yes.
They share room together. So they are very, very close. And as a matter of fact, my daughter brought her 3 times to this village.
I want to speak with this Gina lady myself. Can someone please help me with her phone number?
Oh yes, I have it. Biko.
It's my daughter that we are talking about. Oh. It's my daughter that we are talking about.
Thank you. My man and I will take it over.
Oh,
thank you.
I need my daughter back, please.
My daughter will be offended.
What am I supposed to do? Mazenduka, why did you insist on me following you out of my compound for a discussion? Why my wife was still in such low emotional state?
My brother Ibe, do you think that reporting this matter to the police, that we have done enough under this circumstance, that we can now go home and relax?
What do you suggest that I do again, Mazenduka?
Ibe, look at this in the way I'm looking at it.
I'm hearing.
Ijoma, my daughter, reported that Deborah was in my compound. At the same time, your wife reported that Deborah was also in your compound. Her friend from the city, almost the same time, said the same thing. How are you looking at this thing?
What are you insinuating then?
See, what I am saying, we are sons of the soil, my brother. Civilization or no civilization, our ancestors had a way of resolving a mystery like this that are still relevant today. That's what I'm saying.
Are you now suggesting that I should seek spiritual clarification as well?
Mazibe, I will not mince words. We should leave no stone unturned. We should explore every option. We are talking about that, Deborah, your only child.
Honestly, I'm scared. Scared for my precious daughter.
This is not time to be scared. You have to be a man. Eh? Let us do the needful. Let me, Deborah.
believe. But let us take it easy. Huh? I know that one day she must surface.
You don't understand it. We have so many children, but all were dead. It's only Deborah. Now where is she? Where is Deborah?
Stop crying, I'm here. Daddy, please stop crying.
I thought so many children, all of them dead.
Please stop crying.
The only one I can count on is not where to be seen.
Daddy, please stop crying. Mommy, I'm here, please.
This is not happening to me.
Mommy, stop crying. I'm sorry for not listening to you.
I've had so many children. Only one left.
Anything to happen.
No one to be seen.
Oh.
I'm sorry for insisting on coming back that day.
Oh! No issue. After the bra. Children. This only one. Is it not better I join my ancestors? Is it not better I join my ancestors now?
You will never know peace. You can never know peace. No peace for the wicked.
You dare sit here crying over losing Michael after what you did to me. You caused my parents severe pains. You caused the good man Michael emotional wreck. How could you let your insecurity ruin me, Maureen? How could you shatter my dreams and that of my parents? Why? Tell me why? How could you? Why? How could you? How could you?
Baby. Baby, what is it? Baby. Baby. Are you okay? Stand up. Are you okay? I came in here and met you lying down unconscious. Jesus Christ. You even wet yourself. Listen. We are the only ones here. So tell me the truth. What happened? Did armed robbers follow you home? What happened then? What is it?
No.
Jesus. What the hell is going on? Baby. Baby, come on.
Peace. No matter what you do, no matter how much you try.
Something so scary drove her into a shop that paralyzed her brain cells and drove her heart into first stop before she collapsed.
So, doctor, you're saying she passed out because of what she saw? What could that be?
I do not know. Only she can tell us when she regains consciousness. For a lady of her age, her BP is abnormally high. What really happened?
Doctor, all of a sudden she started acting strange. She even called off our planned wedding and later said it's a prank.
Are you sure she was pranking?
That was my assumption, doctor. But from what you told me now, it's obvious my assumption was wrong. Please, what are her chances?
She'll be okay. For now, just watch her closely. Until she regains consciousness, we can't prescribe any medications. You can equally call me when she wakes up.
Alright, doctor. Thank you very much.
I'll take my leave now.
No matter what you do, no matter how much you try, you will never know peace. You do not have a hiding place. You will never know peace. No. You can never run away from your shadow. You will never know peace. Taking life out of me.
If you dare tell him I'm a ghost, I will burn you and your entire family alive with an unseen fire. I'm not done talking. Now you will leave this house, never to come back again. Else, I'll torture you to death, slowly and painfully, Mori. Please, help me. Cooperate, Mori. You do not want to die a horrible death, do you? He's coming. Now lie down. Cooperate, now. Lie down. Cooperate, Maureen. Behave, Maureen. Jesus. Yes.
Babe, why are you fully dressed? Are you okay?
I'm fine now.
You're saying you're fine, but you don't look fine. You look like someone that just had the worst nightmare of her life.
Me?
Yes.
I'm very fine. I want to go. I just want to go now.
Calm down. I've called my pastor. He's on his way.
What?
Sir, after you left, I came in to pray for her. I'm sure she's...
She's a powerful pastor. She has prayed all the prayer. I don't need pastor. There's no pastor bigger than her.
I insist. I've already called my pastor. He's on his way and that's it.
Excuse me, sir.
Relax. Calm down.
Look, I don't want to stay here. I want to go. I'm fine now. No, leave me now. Let me go. I don't want to sit down. I'm fine. Everything is fine.
My pastor is already on his way. Calm down.
I don't want to see any pastor. No.
Which kind of wahala be this? Eh? Which kind of nonsense life where they live here now? He should say, John Paul, wake up for this dream. Wake up for this. The worst part is say, not be even dream, not reality. Not reality. Come on. Which kind of say this? Which kind of laugh are they now? Which kind of with that?
A pastor is on his way to this place.
Yes.
If you let him in, I will kill you and your family members, one by one.
Jesus. Are they mad? If I try, I make a day like this. My job day like this, bend like this all the days of my life. What if it is the way I do? What if it is the way I do? What if I can be Which can problem with this? For house will not be my house. The whole pastor make a live for outside. Just keep pastor outside the gate. Which can work?
You will never know peace. You will never know peace. You will.
Your pastor, if you ever come here, I go talk to crane, fling you, throw you come out here. In fact, I swear with my congealed damage block off.
Man of God. Hey. You mean you've been outside? So sorry about that, please. So sorry about that, bro. Where is this idiot? Jump off! Jump off!
Shutting up that means some joy. Thinking it would favor you.
Jump off!
No, that's a lie.
Jump off!
You will never know peace. You can never know peace.
Jump off!
No peace
Jump
for
off!
the wicked. You will never know peace.
Jump off!
Oh,
Jump off!
you will never know peace. You will never know peace.
Hello? Yeah, how are you? It's alright. Yes, I should be on my way now. I'm coming right away. Yeah.